There was a magician working on a ship. Since the passengers were constantly changing, he kept doing the same trick. Unfortunately, the captain's parrot watched his performance enough times and figured out all the secrets. During each performance, the parrot spoiled all the tricks with his cries. "That's the wrong hat. He's hiding the Queen of Spades in his pants pocket. There's a hole in the box." The magician was angry but could do nothing, for it was the captain's parrot. One day, the ship was wrecked, and only the magician and the parrot survived by a miracle and continued to float in the sea on some log. The magician kept looking with anger at the parrot, who, in turn, never stopped looking at the magician. Finally, after a week, the parrot couldn't take it anymore. All right, I give up. Where's the ship?"